This headphone costs around $40. It has active noise cancelling and it lasts 70 hours on a single charge. But here's the thing, it's not trying to compete with premium models, it is clearly positioned within its category. The sound signature here leans warm. The low end has presence without overpowering the mix. Mids come through clear enough for vocals and instruments to stay defined. The high frequencies don't stand out, but they remain audible. At maximum volume, things start to compress a bit. If you reduce the volume slightly, you'll get a cleaner output. When you adjust the equalizer settings, the balance improves noticeably. For the price range, it delivers more than expected. That sound clarity only matters if you can wear it for hours without discomfort. The headband felt tight during the first few uses, pressing down on the top of my head. But unlike other models that require weeks of use to become comfortable, the fit improved after a few sessions. After a few sessions, the pressure was gone. The ear cushions use dense foam that seals well against outside noise and keeps sound from leaking out. Even at full volume, leakage stays minimal. Inside each cup, there's a thicker foam layer protecting the driver, which many entry-level models skip entirely. The Redragon Zeus X, or the Zeus Pro for example, have a thin layer, and it feels like the driver sits too close to your ear. The aluminum reinforcements on the upper frame add durability without adding much weight. You can fold it flat at 90 degrees, making it easy to pack in bags or carry on luggage. This headphone does not have international protection rating. It's built for indoor use, commutes, and controlled environments. If you need weather resistance, this isn't the model. Battery life is practical for daily use. 60 hours without noise cancelling, 50 hours with it active. Most headphones cut their runtime in half when you turn on ANC. This one only loses about 1/6 of its total capacity. A full charge takes about 2 hours, which is faster than average for this category. Though it works while charging, I don't recommend using any device while it's plugged in. For an emergency business call, sure, it'll handle it, but as a regular habit, I'd avoid it. Now about the noise cancelling itself. Turn it on without music and it blocks everyday ambient noise effectively. Fans, washing machines, refrigerators, those fade into the background. The real benefit, though, shows up when you're actually listening. With ANC active, you don't need to crank the volume up to drown out your surroundings. When ANC is activated, external noise is reduced enough that higher volume levels become unnecessary. The combination of active cancelling and the passive seal from the dense ear cushions creates a quiet space around you. That means you can keep volume at moderate levels where the sound stays clean and balanced. If you max it out though, the flaws in the audio output start to become more noticeable. With ANC doing its work, you avoid that entirely. The microphone captures voice clearly enough for calls and meetings. It's not broadcast quality, but it's far better than most headphones in this price range. For daily communication, it easily scores 8 out of 10. If you're planning professional recordings, live streams, or very important meetings, I'd recommend the Logitech G733 headset or the Corsair HS80, which have significantly better microphones and are also wireless. Bluetooth stays stable within about 8 meters without interruptions. Walls and obstacles reduce that range, but in open spaces it holds connection reliably. The codec support is standard, nothing exceptional, but latency stays low enough for video calls and casual media. Now, who actually benefits from this headphone? If you work long hours at a desk, need something for commutes, or want active noise cancelling without spending triple digits, this fits. It's not for audiophiles, it's not for gym sessions, it's for someone who values battery life, comfort over time, and functional ANC at an accessible price point. On sale for a bit less, it's a very smart purchase. At the price I mentioned though, I might point you toward other competitors with better overall audio performance and build like the JBL 720, the JBL 770 with ANC, or the WH700. All offer tighter tuning and better materials, though at a higher cost. Not all include noise cancelling, so if that doesn't matter to you, they're worth considering. That was my full review. If this is the right headphone for you and you want to support the work here, use the affiliate links in the description. I've already found the best deals. You pay nothing extra, but you help the channel keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.